Alright folks, this is Amtrak's San Joaquin train 711 to the Oakland at London Square Station. 2005 F59PHi leading this one off. Alongside with 8301 Mount Whitney. So stay tuned for the departure of 711. Stay tuned. Alright, now we're back. This is Amtrak 711, San Joaquin train on its way to the Oakland at London Square Station. 2005 F59PHi leading this one off. Departing Emeryville Station. 8301 Mount Whitney is the cab car in the back. Alright folks, taking that train off to the final stop, which is next is Oakland at London Square Station. This train will go back at 7:16 later on after 1:05 p.m. or 1:35 p.m. I'm Marcel Hall, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Have a good one. Bye-bye.